Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you had a good break. We're going to work on answering questions 5 through 8 together, and then you're going to do 9 and 10 on your own as homework. Okay, so question number 5 is on page 417. Explain, why do you have to press the button to make a doorbell ring? Well, look at the little diagram on 417, and it tells you how a doorbell works. When you press the button to ring a doorbell, you are closing a circuit, and then current flows through the electromagnet. So remember the pictures from, it was probably 2 weeks ago now, where you have to close that little gate so that way your power source runs all the way through. When you push your doorbell, it closes that gate. Next, the electromagnet electricity flowing in the coil of wire magnetizes the electromagnet. This pulls up the contact arm. So your magnet is pulling on that arm, and then the contact arm is attached to a metal clapper that hits the bell. Okay? And then when it hits the bell makes noise. So your answer for this question is, when you press the button, you close an electric circuit. The electric current turns on an electromagnet that lifts the contact arm of the doorbell. If you're still confused, look at page 417. There's a picture for you. Question number 6, circle the meter that shows that an electric current is flowing. On the bottom of this page, there are 2 meters. This one, you can see it's not really moving. Nothing's really happening. And on this one, they put an arrow here so you can see that it's moving side to side or back and forth. And then it kind of, you can see on the end of the picture here where it looks like it's moving. So what do we know about electric current and magnets? We know that if an electric current is flowing, the magnet is moving. And if it's not flowing, then the magnet is not moving. So for number 6, the meter that shows that an electric current is flowing is going to be the bigger one, the one on the right, where the magnet is moving back and forth. So that's the one that you would circle. Question number 7, apply. How could you increase the amount of current flowing through the meter? Yesterday, I gave you 3 ways to make a current stronger. Think of those 3 ways, and that's going to be your answer. So one example of that answer might be, one way to move the magnet, one way is to move the magnet faster back and forth through the coils. There are 2 other ways if you want to give me a different example. And number 8 is a challenge question, which means it's going to be a little hard. In a wind turbine, how does the energy of motion produce electricity? It's not going to be super hard because I've already explained it to you, just because we have these around where we live. The energy of motion is used to turn coils of wire around magnets. This produces an electric current. So that is how a wind turbine works. Okay, so there's your answer for number 8. Great job. Now you're going to complete 9 and 10 on your own. I have some helpful tips for you, of course. For number 9, summarize. This is not going to be directly in the book. Think about what we learned in this lesson. How does electric current produce magnetism? And for number 10, look at page 417 and think about the characteristics of electromagnets. And characteristics are features or qualities. So I want you to think about the features or qualities of electromagnets when you answer number 10. If you have any questions, send me a message. I'm here and I'm happy to help. Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.